Affiliate marketing is a digital marketing strategy that allows online businesses to earn commission by promoting other companies' products or services. It's an excellent way for newbies to start earning passive income. In this video, we will cover the fundamental elements of affiliate marketing and why it's essential for newbies to understand them. The first step to becoming a successful affiliate marketer is to choose a niche. A niche is a specific area of interest that will help determine what type of products or services you will promote. A good niche should be profitable, and you should also have a passion for it. Research is essential in this step. You can use social media, online forums, and Google Trends to find a viable niche that you can monetize. Once you have selected your niche, the next step is to identify your target audience. Knowing your target audience will help you tailor your content to their needs, behaviors, and preferences. You can use data analytics tools, social media platforms, and online surveys to determine the demographics of your target audience. After choosing your niche and identifying your target audience, the next step is to select an affiliate program. An affiliate program is a program that allows you to promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. You need to research and select a reputable affiliate program that offers products or services relevant to your niche. The success of your affiliate marketing journey relies heavily on the quality of the content that you create. It's essential to create high-quality content that engages your target audience and encourages them to make a purchase. This content can be in the form of blog posts, videos, product reviews, and social media posts. The key is to provide value to your audience rather than just promoting products. The final step in affiliate marketing is to track and measure your performance. It's important to analyze the data and metrics of your marketing campaigns to determine what's working and what's not. You can use analytics tools, conversion tracking, and A/B testing to optimize your campaigns and increase revenue.